What's up YouTube? My name's Quickie, welcome back to the channel. I'm having a nightmare. Right, okay. The next video I was going to be doing was sorting out the oil cooler. You know, the surround for it. I ain't going to be doing that now because everything's gone to poo. Oh God, if coronavirus wasn't enough, everything's just... Oh, right, okay, so... went to jump in the van the other day, turned the key and it really chugged, did not want to turn over. It did catch, it did fight, it ran fine, that was it, all happy days. I thought, oh, I don't know, battery's obviously suffering here. So took it home, stuck the battery on charge. I've got one of them conditioning charger, so it sorts it all out, full 24-hour charge. Checked it all afterwards, everything's peachy. Shoved it in the van. Went to turn it on. I had all instrumentation and everything, but you go to turn it on and it's not turning over. The starter motor's not firing. So it could be something as stupid as, I don't know, a sticky relay, loose connector, starter motor could have pooed itself, anything like that. So I need to get in there and start grubbing. I've had it recovered back here, because obviously this is where all my tools and stuff are. And we had it on the back of the lorry, and it's one of them that, you know, the whole thing tips up. So instead of like letting it down on the winch, we just let it go and bump started it in reverse. A little bit dodgy, but it fired up, ran fine and everything else. However, it does have an engine warning light on it, so I ain't got a clue what's going on there. Have not got a clue. I don't know what the code is. So there is a garage down the end. They'll have the diagnostic stuff. I don't think anybody's there at the minute though. No, he's not there. So I'm stuffed. Basically, I'm in a position where if I don't work, I don't get paid. Because I've got my own little business here, which I'm trying to get off the ground, but it's taking time, which is how come I've got another job welding. But essentially I'm temping there. So I'm a bit stuffed. Something about it never rains but it pours. So I'm looking at this thinking it wouldn't take much to get that mobile. This is the next project bike basically. GSF 600, 1995. However, it does need a little bit of TLC. Brakes are all binding, it doesn't run right. I think all the carbs are leaking, so they all need to be stripped and cleaned and everything else. So what I'm tempted to do is to see if I can get the week off on holiday. I'll have a crack at the van, see if I can get the fellas at the garage to plug their diagnostic doohickey thing in and we can figure out what the problem is. If I can get that going and it's not too bad, happy days. Otherwise, this is going to need to go on the road because I need to be mobile, I need to go to work. Which means I need to give it a full going over. Yeah, because I mean the fella who had it before, he's not, you know, that mechanically minded, I suppose. So I might be working on that ahead of time and I'll just get it on the road and I will, if the van's like terminal, I'll just sawn it, take it off the road and I'll use the bike instead. I could do without all this crap though. I really could. Oh God, why can't somebody find a miracle cure and like mechanics give their time for free to fix everything that's broken? So anyway, that's it. It's just a quick update just to let you know. I'm having a bad time as well as you. But at least in my little shed, this is about as isolated as it gets because it's in the car to here. That's it, it's only me here. And this is me work. So there you go, how about it? Anyway, hope everybody's safe and you're looking after yourselves. And I need to crack on and get stuff sorted. and I'll do another update in a little bit so you can see what's going on. But my week ain't going to get any better, I just know it. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Sorry it's a real quickie, it's only a quick update. But we will see you again. Laters.